Hello guys, we are back. Let's try to see what we are going to create today. You see, it's an amazing piece of art for presentation. Okay, sorry. Let's try to create it. At first, we need to add a blank space. In our blank space, we are going to format the color to the black and apply it to all. After doing that, I just simply copy the text here to make the work easier. We have the text here. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to create an effect. Okay, let's try at first by here. You see, the font is Calibri, nothing special, but you can use something special if you need. For example, we don't have any font with X. I don't know that. You can use the font you need, for example, Tacoma or everything you need. Okay, we just go by Calibri that we have and we just make it bigger. Okay, what effect we use? We go to shape format and use this effect. But how I create that? It's easy. We select the shape and go to text option. From here, we gave it a shadow, reflection, and the glow. You see, everything is here. You can give it by the way you like. For example, you can increase the glow or reduce it, or you can also increase the blur or no, increase the transparency of the shadow, or do whatever you like. Okay, after that we have this text. You simply may understand we have a little different here. What is the difference? The difference here, this font is bigger than the other one. Now let's try to create it. We need to create a rectangle. Okay, we create a rectangle. But the important thing is that we need to send it back in the shape. The ones who work with Photoshop are also know what layers mean and how we are going to use that. We put it back. Now the end shape is created. Now let's go copy the slide and make the another thing. Okay, we go here. We just simply change it color to black and font to 32, and we increase it to 44. Okay, we increase it in size. Now we need to put it in the center of that and change it color to, for example, green. Now we copy that and simply repeat this work. We put it up, make it to 32, black it, and then select all of it, 44, and then change this color easily to, for example, something nice. I think it's good. And then bring it up. Sorry. We copy this slide, then bring this up 32 and black it. Now we just simply select this 44, and you see we don't select all of the shape. Now is okay. Okay, we increase it in size. Establish, I think. Okay, it's good. Now I just simply change it color to something I more like, for example, red. Now I just simply create the order of these things, copy this slide, make it here, put it here, and I want to do something a little more. Okay, let me color it black. Everything is ready. We just don't need any outline, none. Make it font 32 and black. Now select all the slides simply and set the transient to morph. Now just wait for the magic to happen. If you like this kind of presentation and templates, we have many of them in our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the newest ones. And also, if you need anything, don't forget you can ask me in the comments and I will be happy to help you. Have a nice time.